Hey guys, what's going on? Michelle Kind here, and in today's video I want to show you how you can add a video speed controller to put on your videos if you need to speed through them, whether that be a YouTube video, a Facebook Live, any recorded video. And you can find this as a Chrome extension if in fact you're using Google Chrome as your browser. I love this extension. It's made life so much easier for me because I go through a lot of trainings. I watch a lot of different Facebook Lives. And when you're up against a time constraint, this can really speed it up. So I'll show you where to get that. There's a couple places. You might not be able to see this from my screen, but if you look on your browser, at the very top left, there will be I guess there's actually 12 little colored squares, and it says Show Apps. So you can get it there. I'll click there, and it's going to come up. What we're looking for is the web store, which is this one. Or you can come over to the right, and there are three little dots. If you just click on that, then you will see, the history, the downloads, the bookmarks, and whatnot. And right here, if you go to More Tools, it will show you, this is where you can also clear your cache and cookies. Right here where it says Extensions, you can also find it there. So for the sake of this video, we are going to go to the web store. And what we're looking for is a video speed controller. So I'm going to type in video speed control. Let's see what comes up. Okay, so the one that I would recommend is this HTML5 video speed control. So what you want to do is just add this to Chrome. It's checking to make sure it's okay, and it says it can add this on to my browser. So I will say add extension. And while we're waiting, okay, so now it's saying that it's added. So that's how you get to that, and I'll show you how that works. So let me go back over here to, I'll open up a new tab. And let's maybe go to YouTube. I'll just pull up a random video and we'll see how we can get through it. I'll show you. Let's see. Okay, there are a lot of different ones. I was listening to a playlist last time, so you're going to see a lot of my stuff on here already. What I like to listen to is I like to listen to a lot of mindset things as well. So let's just do the Think and Grow Rich. Earl Nightingale. I'll need to skip over this video. Okay, now you won't be able to hear it. I am using Screencast-O-Matic, and I just have the free version. You'll only be able to hear my voice, not the computer sound. But if you look up here in the top left, you can see how right now it's at 1, right, 1.00. And if I wanted to speed this up or slow it down, you can just, I'll move my this over just a little bit so you can see. So right here you can see the minus or you can see the plus. So let's increase this by just a few increments. So like if I wanted to do this at a speed and a half, it's right there. So if this had words, maybe you could just notice here on the screen if anything plays, like how fast it kind of goes through. So this is at 1.5 times. If, for instance, you maybe want to capture that something somebody said, rather than like putting it over here and rewinding it, you can certainly do that as well. Or you can just take it down and it will just be, slower than normal. So I've done that from time to time. It sounds really, really slow. But you can do that, and then it will do it according to what you want. But the whole point of the speed controller is for you to get through your videos in a really fast way so that you can save time, you can focus on other things. And it's really a great tool. It's a great extension to add on to Chrome if in fact you are using Google Chrome as an extension. So I hope you got value from this video today. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up, like this video, feel free to leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so already. You can also find me over on Facebook. I hang out there mostly. Feel free to send me a message. Let me know that you saw me here on YouTube. I would love to connect with you. I am an online marketer, so my channel represents a lot of marketing and mindset tips for you. If in fact you are an online marketer and you're curious to know how certain things work, whatever value that I have to share, I'll certainly put that here on YouTube for you to check it out. So thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you next time.